Hello everyone, my name is Shamlata Dubey and my team members are Rahul Kumar Pandey and Saurav Tarafdar. We have completed this project under the guidance of Professor Avinash Kumar Sharma and our project ID is 38. The topic of our project is Smart Bus Management System. So let me quickly run through the problem statement and the introductory part of our project. An increasing part of the population is living in cities and urban areas, and public transport, specifically bus, is an essential part of people's life because it is cheap and convenient. But due to its uncertainty, like the arrival time, the seat availability factor, people tend to not prefer it now. So in this project, we have made an application for bus management system with an aim to completely digitalize the main backbone of city public buses. We are having the following features in our application. It's a local bus transit application. It will also show the real-time arrival and the user can share the real-time bus location with their known ones. We also have digital ticket booking system. This is an overview architecture of our application. In this, we have three modules, the bus module, admin module, and the user module, and the database is connected with our application. I will discuss about this module in the later slide. This is the literature survey. These are the existing work that are there, which are similar to our project. We have taken reference from these projects and tried to improve on the limitations of these projects. These projects are not using the latest technologies available and are restricted in various domains. We have tried to come up with a better solution, which is scalable and much more efficient in the usage. So the proposed system of our application will be having three modules: bus module, user module, and the admin module. In the bus module, the driver or conductor first log in into the portal at the start of the day, and the GPS coordinates of the bus with the help of Google API integrated with React Native packages are sent to the database, and these coordinates are updated at regular intervals. In the user module, the user will register and log in, and this login authentication is performed with the help of AWS Amplify Authentication, which is an authentication service provided by Amazon. After this, user will be shown with the home screen from where he or she can took the necessary step. In the admin module, the admin will be responsible for the administrative tasks. Admin will manage both the modules, the bus and the user module, and will perform the following tasks. Like it will look for the route of the buses, the passenger details, and will register the complaints if any raised by the passenger. These are some application screenshots of our working application. Now I would like you all to see our working application for a better overview. So this is the sign up page of our application. In this, the user will enter the username, password, email, and the phone number. We have used React Native Maps, React Native Maps direction, React Native Community Geolocation, and other Google APIs to complete this project. Entering the phone number is necessary in this step because the user will be receiving an OTP on his registered mobile number only. As you can see that after the registration, the user will receive a confirmation code. As in this case, we have received our confirmation code. And after writing this OTP, the user will be verified. And after that, the user can able to log in into the system. So user is successfully verified and now user can log in into the system. After login in, this is the home screen that user can see. Here, the user can now enter the current location and the destination location. We have used Google Autocomplete API so that it will complete the search results based on the user result. So these are the number of buses that the user can see and confirm a bus according to his preference. Now I would like you all to see the driver module. So this is the driver module of our application. The driver can accept or decline the request, and after accepting the request, the driver can see the pickup location of the user. So this is how the working application looks like. Now I would like to come to an end of this project with mentioning some future scopes related to our project. So these are the future scopes. Normally a management system covers only record management portion of a business. But however, this project covers the implementation of the user data management, driver data management, and their various activities, along with booking system using e-ticket service. Since all the implementation of data storage is done using cloud services, the application can be easily scaled up for production on demand in future. In the future, we will also try to add some additional features like plan your city travel, which will basically suggest famous places within a city so that people can easily plan a visit to these places. So that's all for our project. Thank you. Oh.